Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, the place where we turn architectural dreams into reality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we are diving into a trend that has completely redefined the modern home, the rustic barndominium. At its core, a rustic barndominium is a unique architectural hybrid that combines the structural framework of a barn, often steel or timber framed, with the high-end finishes and comforts of a luxury residential home. The rustic element specifically emphasizes a connection to nature, utilizing raw materials like reclaimed wood, natural stone, and weathered metals to create a warm, lived-in feel that contrasts beautifully with the industrial strength of the building's shell. It is the perfect marriage of rugged durability and cozy, country aesthetic. One of the most significant benefits of choosing a rustic barndominium is the incredible versatility and durability it offers. Because these structures often use clear span framing, they lack the load-bearing interior walls found in traditional homes, allowing for massive, soaring ceilings and completely open floor plans that you can customize to your heart's content. Beyond the aesthetics, barndominiums are often more cost-effective and faster to build than conventional houses, especially when using metal siding and roofing. They are also incredibly resilient against the elements, requiring less maintenance over time. Living in a barndominium means enjoying an energy-efficient, sturdy sanctuary that feels expansive yet remains deeply connected to the peaceful, grounded atmosphere of rural architecture. Decorating the exterior of a rustic barndominium is all about creating a sense of balance between grand scale and intimate detail. To make your exterior look truly stunning, start by layering textures. Pair the sleek lines of a metal roof with the organic ruggedness of a stone skirt or a heavy timber porch. Lighting plays a huge role as well. Using oversized gooseneck barn lights or rustic lanterns can highlight the architectural lines and create a welcoming glow at dusk. Don't forget the power of a wraparound porch or a massive gabled entryway. These features break up the large surface area of the barn and provide a transition space that feels like a traditional home. Incorporating natural landscaping, like flower beds with native grasses and stone walkways, helps ground the large structure into its environment, making it feel like it has been part of the landscape for decades. The best items and elements for a rustic barndominium are those that emphasize authenticity and craftsmanship. You cannot go wrong with large, black-framed windows that invite the outdoors in while providing a modern edge to the rustic theme. For the best items, think about incorporating heavy sliding barn doors made of reclaimed oak, which serve as both functional room dividers and pieces of art. Interior and exterior columns should ideally be thick timber or wrapped in stone to provide a sense of strength. Inside, a floor-to-ceiling fireplace made of fieldstone often serves as the soul of the home. Additionally, using matte finishes, whether it's for your hardware or your cabinetry, complements the rustic vibe far better than high-gloss materials, ensuring that every corner of the house feels tactile and inviting. Now for the moment you've been waiting for. Let's walk through the top 10 best rustic barndominium house design ideas and pull out the best design elements from each one. One, the Grand Arched Breezeway Barndominium. This design features a massive, multi-bay structure characterized by stunning white stone arches. The combination of the tan metal siding and the elegant masonry creates a sophisticated yet rugged look, perfect for those who need a functional workshop or garage space integrated seamlessly into their primary residence. 2. The Twilight Timber Retreat. A masterclass in warmth and light. This design showcases a sprawling wraparound porch supported by heavy, natural wood columns. With the interior lights glowing through large glass doors and windows against the dusky sky, this home emphasizes the living aspect of the barndominium, turning a large structure into a cozy, illuminated sanctuary. 3. The classic two-story gambrel barn house. This design stays true to traditional barn roots with a beautiful gambrel roof and vertical wood siding. The stone foundation level houses the garage bays, while the upper wooden level serves as the living quarters, offering a perfect vertical split that maximizes views and separates work from rest. 4. The modern industrial pavilion. Featuring a dark wood-lined gabled ceiling and sleek metal siding, this barndominium focuses on an expansive outdoor living area. The open-air kitchen and dining space under the massive roof extension make it an entertainer's dream, blending the safety of a permanent structure with the freedom of the outdoors. 5. The contemporary black and stone farmhouse. This striking design uses dark, charcoal-colored siding paired with a bright wooden entryway and stone accents. The tiered landscaping and modern concrete steps lead up to a home that feels incredibly high-end, proving that rustic can also mean cutting-edge when the right color palette is used. 6. The stone-clad gabled manor. With its prominent stone facade and metal roofing, this home looks like a modern fortress of comfort. The clever use of a fenced-in front yard and a central water feature adds a touch of cottagecore charm to the large-scale barndominium architecture, creating a very private and curated feel. 7. The minimalist white barndominium. Clean white vertical siding and a dark metal roof give this design a modern farmhouse twist. The deep porch and stone wainscoting ground the building, while the simple, sharp lines make it stand out beautifully against a wide-open landscape or a clear blue sky. 8. The tall timber forest barn. Nested among the trees, this vertical design uses weathered wood siding and a steep roof to mimic the surrounding forest. The inclusion of cupolas on the roofline adds a classic agricultural touch, making the building feel authentic and perfectly integrated into a wooded lot. 9. The Mountain View Gable House. This design features massive floor-to-ceiling windows on the gable end to capture every bit of the surrounding scenery. The use of natural wood siding and a raised stone patio allows the home to blend into mountainous or hilly terrain, prioritizing the connection between the interior and the great outdoors. 10. The bold black board and batten. A stunning example of modern rustic style, this home uses black board and batten siding to create a dramatic silhouette. The warm wood tones of the massive wraparound porch provide a striking contrast, making the entrance feel incredibly inviting despite the home's imposing and stylish dark exterior. The beauty of a rustic barndominium lies in its ability to be whatever you need it to be: a rugged workshop, a sprawling family estate, or a cozy weekend getaway. By focusing on quality materials like stone, timber, and metal, you create a home that is built to last for generations while never going out of style. Whether you prefer the dark, moody tones of a modern black exterior or the classic warmth of reclaimed wood, the barndominium offers a canvas for creativity that traditional homes simply can't match. If you enjoyed this tour of the top 10 rustic barndominium designs, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more architectural inspiration. Which of these designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you're planning your own build, check out the links in the description for more resources. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.